Today we are discussing what is a polynomial. Means how we can express it is either it is a polynomial or not. Yesterday we have discussed in this that video algebraic expressions. What are the algebraic expressions? Already said, by using with constant and variables with the help of mathematical operations like plus, minus, into, division. So like 3x 2x square plus 5 x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus 6 minus 4 etc. These are all called algebraic expressions. Okay children, and these algebraic expressions are also called as polynomials. Note that all algebraic expressions we have considered have only non-negative integers of the variable exponents of the given variables. Okay, clear? It have non-negative integers as exponents of the variables. Non-negative means non-negative integers. Integers means already in the first chapter in real numbers we will discuss what is an integers. Means it has 0 positive numbers and negative numbers. Now coming to non-negative integer means non-negative except negative means positive and 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 means all numbers. Okay. So these are we are using non-negative integers as exponent of the variables. As exponent of the variable means any variable it have the exponents only 0 or positive numbers. Such expressions are called as polynomial. For example, non-negative means either it has negative symbol or root values, non-negative integer root values and fractional values. These are all x to the power of root 2, x to the power of 1 by 2 or x to the power of minus 3 or 3 by x. Such type of expressions are not polynomials. Only the polynomials are having the non-negative integers as exponent of the variable. Here observe, all expression are having only one variable, that is x. Right? Here all are having the only one variable. This polynomial is, these type of polynomials are called as polynomials in one variable. The polynomials of one variable, here we are using only x. So this polynomial is denoted by px. P of x means it has only the variable is x square plus 5, 2x cube minus 3x square. Here observing we use the variable only x. If I will write p of y means the polynomial in y. For example, y cube. Here we are using the variable is y. Y cube minus 6y square plus 2. Okay. If whatever we use, that is called as polynomial in something. X means polynomial in x, y means polynomial in y, m means polynomial in m. So it can be written as p of x, p of y, p of m something. Okay. But in this chapter we have to use the polynomial either x or y. It can be denoted by p of x or p of y. Now I guess you will understood how which type of expressions are polynomials. Always the variables exponents, the exponents of the given variable is always either positive or 0. Okay children, non-negative always it has non-negative integers. For example, x square, is it polynomial? First of all we would check the exponent of the variable x. Here the exponent is 2. Here before that there is no symbol, means we can take it as plus. So it is a positive number. So it is a polynomial. X to the power of 1 by 2 plus 3. Can you say anyone, is it polynomial? No, it does not polynomial. Why? Because it is not an integer. So that's why it is not a polynomial. For example, root x. Root x is a polynomial? No, it is also not a polynomial. Why? Because root x can be also written as x to the power of, in the place of square root we have to write in the exponent power is 1 by 2. So it is also an integer. It is also not an integer. So it is also not a polynomial. For example, 1 by x. 1 by x or 4 by x, something, anything. So this type of expressions here are also not a polynomial, because here the variable it is in the denominator place. Now we have to convert, write in the place of numerator by using one formula. 1 by a to the power of n can be written as a to the power of minus n. So 1 by a to the power of n. So the exponent is 1. It can be written as 4 into. So shifting denominator into numerator place, whenever we changing this as numerator, then in the exponent has we can take minus. Here the power is 1, so take x to the power of minus 1. So observe the exponent of the variable x is negative. So negative means it is also does not polynomial. So polynomial means always the exponents is non-negative integer. Non-negative integer means either it is 0 or positive values 1, 2, 3, 4, anything. Now in page number 28, think, discuss and write. So here some problems are given. You have to identify which are the polynomials, which are not. Give reasons. Already I said too. Exponent of the given variable is always non-negative. By using of that condition you have to identify this. Okay. Now here in page number 29, do this also there. Write two polynomials with variable x. You also just write down any two examples for polynomials. Okay. But using with variable x. Second one is three polynomials with variable y. You have to write three polynomials, three examples, but using variable y. Now this is here in this problem, it is in one variable. Just you are identify it is one variable of the polynomial or more than any variables are there. You have to identify and you will say that answer. So fourth one is also there. Write the formula of area and volume of different solid shapes. You have to draw any square, cube, rectangle, like that, cuboid, something. You have to draw and you have to identify the formula of area and volume. Find out what are the variables in that formula and what are the constant. Okay, these two we will discuss now. I like to say more one important terms in the algebraic expressions, that is what is a coefficient and what is the exponent. Coefficient means, already I said to you, here the variable is x. The exponent of this is 4. This is the exponent. And here, observe here, before that x, before that variable, we should have some numbers. Observe these examples. These numbers are called as coefficient. Coefficient. Here, in the 2x to the power of 4, which is the coefficient? 2 is the coefficient. What is the exponent here? 4 is the exponent. And the second example, minus 5x to the power of 3. Here, what is the exponent? Here the exponent is 3. And exponent is always the power of the given variable. And what is the coefficient? Coefficient is minus 5. The coefficient is either maybe is it positive number or negative number, whatever. But always the exponents is non-negative integers only. Here in this example, this root 2 is coefficient, and here observe the exponent. There is no value. No value means always we can take it as 1. So the exponent is 1. Now coming to the last one, 7. Here there is no variable. How we can identify which is the coefficient and which is the exponent? Here if there is no variables, we should take any variable as you like and take the power is 0. Here coefficient is 7 and degree is 0. Okay children? So these are all exponents are also called as degree also here. 4, 3, 1, 0. Okay children? Now here we are going to discuss what is the degree of the polynomial. Now I will say degree, right? So now I would like to say what is meaning by degree of the given polynomial. Okay children? For example, I would like to write 3x square plus 7x minus 5 and minus 5 x cube y square 6 x to the power of 4 y square plus 7 xy minus 8. So here I wrote different types of algebraic expression. Now we have to find what is the degree of the given algebraic expressions or polynomials. Here each term of the polynomial consists of the product of a constant. This constant is called as the coefficient of the given term. Here x square. Coefficient is 3. Coefficient of x is 7. Here coefficient of x cube y square is minus 4. Coefficient of x power 4 y square is 6. Coefficient of xy is 7. Like that. Product of the constant. Now, and a finite of variables raised to non-negative integral powers. Degree of a term. These are all terms. How many terms we have? Here we using in this example two mathematical operation, that is plus and minus. These plus and minus operations are separating the given expression into some terms. How many terms here? 1, 2, 3. Means the symbols, mathematical symbols, either plus or minus, it is divided the given polynomial into different terms. Here this plus and minus symbols are divide the given expression into 3 terms. Here there is no plus symbol and minus symbol in between of x and y. So it is a single term. Here how many terms are there? We have 2 symbols, plus and minus. Here also we can get how many terms? 3 terms. Now we have to find each of the term coefficient and each of the term degree and find out the sum of the degree of powers of the given factors. For example, here 3x square plus 7x minus 5. Here in this the first term is 3x square. What is the variable here? X. And what is the exponent here? 2. So the exponent, the power of 3x square is 2. And in the second term, what is the power here? There is no value, means 1. Here there is no variable, means we should take 0. In these 3, which is the highest value? 2 is the highest value. So degree of 3x square plus 7x minus 5 is 2. Coming to the next one, minus 5x cube y square. What is the degree here? So the degree of the polynomial is highest degree of its variable terms. At the same time, we have to find out the sum of the exponents of the given variable factors. That is x and y are the factors here, and the exponent of x is 3 and exponent of y is to do addition. 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. This total sum is the degree of this given polynomial. Now coming to here, total we have 3 terms. In the first term, what is the degree of this first term? Degree means, first of all we should identify the variables, take the powers, do the sum. 4 and 2. 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. Now second one, two variables x and y. What is the powers here? X is 1, at the same time y also 1. Do addition, 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Here there is no variable. No variable means we should take the value is 0. Highest, what is the highest degree here? 6. So the degree of 6 x power 4 y square plus 7 xy minus 8. So like this we should find out the degree of any polynomial by using the sum of the variables of the each term, and out of that we should take the highest degree is the degree of the polynomial. Thank you.